Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of versatile knowledge, and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how you can install the Gcam on your Redmi 9 Power smartphone. As you can see, this is my Redmi 9 Power and I've been using it from the last 5 days. One important disadvantage of this device is the front camera that is present on this device, and the front camera is just awful guys. The camera quality is just noisy. They need to give a software update to make sure that this particular front camera on this device is fixed. But as of now, the solution is to install Gcam and get better pictures. In order to install Gcam, what you need to do is just go to the link that is provided in the description. I'll be giving links to 2 or 3 websites from where you can download the Google Camera 7.3, 7.4 for your device as well. Whereas the normal MIUI camera is fine for the rear camera, for the front camera, the Gcam is an absolute must. In this website, you will find this download link guys. Just go to this place where you can find this download link. As you can see, there is this download link over here. Just click on download. Just click on download. Your Gcam will be downloaded. When the app is downloaded, just click on this application. Prompt will appear that Google needs to get permission to install from unknown sources. Just go to settings, allow from unknown source, accept over here guys, and just click on install. So the Google camera will be installed on your device guys. Just wait for a couple of minutes. The Google camera has been installed on our Redmi 9 Power smartphone. Just go ahead and open the Google camera. Just click on allow record. Just click on deny. Just click on allow, and the Google camera is set up on the device successfully. As you can see, we have the Google camera. Most of the features are working over here in this Google camera port. First important thing we need to do once the Google camera is installed is turn off this motion guys. Turn on the Google auto white balance guys. Just go to settings. Just go to the library patcher. Enable library patcher. Go to the social share. If you want to enable social share directly, you can share to applications such as WhatsApp stories. Just go to grid type and set 3x3 grid type guys, and just go to advanced over here. Click on HDR plus control. Use third-party gallery. That means your photos will be stored in your gallery itself and it will not go to Google Photos. Turn on the ultra high resolution. You can enable the optical image stabilization as well. One important thing is just turn on the front camera and you have this HDR plus enhanced turned on, and you have the smooth face retouching or soft face retouching, whichever you want you can set it. So I've set it to smooth face retouching. I've set it to HDR plus enhanced. Google auto white balance is on, and all these settings when turned on, you can get some amazing photographs which is not possible from the normal camera on the Redmi 9 Power. As you guys can see, these are some of the camera samples that was taken on the Redmi 9 Power smartphone.
The quality of the photographs from the Gcam on the Redmi 9 Power is outstanding. The colors are on point, the white balance is fantastic, the saturation levels, the sharpness and the HDR levels are also fantastic. There is a very beautiful background blur that is provided in every images. It just blows away the normal camera out of water. The night side images is also fantastic and it gives some exceptional photos in the night time. And the main problem that it solves is with respect to the front camera. The front camera is extremely noisy on the normal camera. It has most artificially hopeless colors. It has just too much of softening and noise that is present on the normal camera. But when we talk about the Gcam, the colors are on point with respect to shirt, the colors of the skin and also the color of your hair. Everything is on point. It gives some outstanding portrait mode selfies and also some of the best night mode selfies that you can get in this price range when you have installed the Gcam on Redmi 9 Power.
So as you guys just saw, the camera samples from the Google camera on the Redmi 9 Power is absolutely fantastic. It will actually enhance the quality of the photograph when compared to the normal camera. This is why we need to use the Gcam on any Android phone we have. So that's it for this video guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching guys.